Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I got a couple of packages that came from Shein that I want to open up with you guys. Currently about to be 2. I just finished getting off the phone with my friend Yusuf. He reached out to me last week to see if I can help him with a self-tape audition, you know, just be a reader for him. It took about half an hour. Usually it takes about half an hour and then we just catch up a little bit. So it was good to hear from him. If you guys don't know Yusuf, he's still out in LA. All right. So the reason why I order stuff on Shein is because I have another trip coming up. If you guys remember, I did say I have another trip coming up in the summer, later in the summer. But I'll tell you guys that later on. Some of these things are for the trip and just some of them aren't. I just wanted to get it. I also got a pair of heels because I have another wedding that I'm going to this upcoming Sunday, July 2nd. It's my coworker, not Alexa, but the other coworker. Her name is Sabrina. She's getting married and she invited all of us to go to her wedding. And I have the dress. I know what dress I'm going to wear, but I needed some heels that are like open toe heels. They look so cute. This is how it looks. Ooh, fun. This is so pretty. And I got the size 7.5. They feel comfortable. I need to have these on for at least 4 hours, okay? 4 hours. Okay, ignore my toes. Let me show you guys. They're cute, right? Here are the dogs. I'm just walking these. They do make my feet look wider because of the square toe at the top. A lot of people are saying that they're extremely comfortable. They can wear it for a long period of time. So that's why I got them. That is that. Oh, I got a dress. I don't remember it looking like this, but let's try this on. Okay, I moved into my mom's room. That way I can get a better look at what I'm wearing and show you guys. Because, you know, we don't have mirrors here besides in the restroom. So here's the first dress. It's a white dress with flowers outlined in black. I really like the pattern. This is a perfect summer day dress. It goes down to a little bit above my ankles. This is very thin material. It's great for the warm weather. This is a dress you wear when you go to a buffet because it's not tight, it's loose, it's comfortable. There's a tie right here you can adjust. This will look way cuter if I had my makeup done. Sorry, I am looking busted, but I wanted to open up this package with you guys already. I didn't want to wait any longer. Yeah, that is dress number 1. There are no pockets, and yeah, let's try on the next item. Here is dress number 2. Same silhouette as the first dress. It's really flowy, reaches a little bit above my ankle, but I really like the color of this dress. It's like a muted pink, pastel pink, and this beigey flower print going through it. I like the open cut right here in the stomach. I think this is just so pretty. It is a little bit too big, I feel like, for me, but I can still wear it. I think I could have gotten a size down. I might just pack this with me on my next trip because it's just it's so light, breathable, comfy. I don't need to wear a bra with this. Sorry, you guys, I don't have a full-size mirror at the house. This is really tacky, but it's okay. This is a very casual Shein haul, okay? Okay, what I have on next is so freaking cute, and I want to get out of my comfort zone and start showing my arms more because my arms are... I'm a little bit insecure about my arms because they're not, you know, they're a little flabby and big. But I told myself I am young, trying to appreciate my body more, and I want to show off my arms because, like, when am I ever going to show off my arms? You know, when I'm old and wrinkly? No, when I'm young and my skin is still tight and firm. So I wanted to start wearing more spaghetti straps or just more to show my arm. But this romper, I was a little nervous about it, but oh my god, it is so freaking cute. I love this romper. Let me turn the camera around and show you. Look at this. Look at this. It's a halter top spaghetti strap, so you tie it around behind your neck, and this opens up right here. This fits so great, and I love how it accentuates my waist right here, and it's just very girly, very feminine, and this would be great for like a birthday outfit. I think this is so fun. I'm so glad I got this romper, and this is how it looks in the back. I feel really pretty in this and girly. I like it so much. This is a great purchase, and I am so happy about it. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera because it's black, but oh my god, yes. Okay, here is the next romper that I got. I'm not really a big fan of this one. Really like the print on the romper, but I don't really like the shape that it's giving. Usually rompers give you this type of shape. It's just kind of weird, but I think I can mess around with it and make it look cute. Maybe pair it with a black belt to cinch in the waist more. But overall, this is just a regular romper. The next item that I am wearing is another romper, but the top part is a wraparound, so you can design it however you want. It's just too long piece of material to wrap around. So let me show you guys. I really like this print. This is perfect for the trip. Eee! It's giving me vacation vibes. It's giving me summer 2023 vibes. But yeah, you see how there's just, I tied the wrap around my waist, and you can literally change how you want the back to be. Obviously I need to play around with it some more so that way it's how I want it to be. Definitely gonna have to wear pasties in case you get a little nip slip. This is so cute, but let me show you what I'm talking about. You see, you just untie all of this and it comes apart. All of this comes off. And here is the last piece from this Shein haul. It's just a basic long sleeve blouse with the necktie. I really like the necktie blouses. I have about 4 or 5 now. But I got this just for down the road. Obviously it is going to be way too hot for me to wear this during the summertime. This is more for fall and winter, and this is just for whenever I need to go look nice for work, or if I ever book a gig I need to wear like a business casual outfit. This would be cute to bring along. But yeah, I just like the black with the red flowers. It's cute. That's it. Can you guys tell that it's been a hot minute since I've done any clothing haul on my channel? I don't even know what to say or describe the outfits or describe the clothing and everything. Today is Thursday. I think I said that earlier. Is it Thursday? No, it's Tuesday. It's just Tuesday. The wedding's on Sunday, so my mom already did my nails. My nails are still good for the wedding. She just needs to do my toes, and I'm just thinking about doing a basic white toes. You know, you can't go wrong with white toenails. And I am breaking out so bad. This is finally going down. This one just popped this morning. Like, hello. But they should be, you know, flattened down and good to go for the wedding. You guys, I also got my check from Toyota in the mail today. Today is a good day. Toyota summer sales. Time to go deposit this check, y'all. Okay, my mom did my toesies, so they're nice and pretty for the wedding. Just laying in bed. The dogs are in their crates again. My mom just got home not too long ago. Did my toes, and now she's going to sweep, vacuum, and mop the floors. We usually go back and forth on who does it. I did it last, so she's doing it next. I'm just gonna lay here and wait until my toes dry up. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. morning, guys. It is now Thursday. I was originally supposed to go meet up with my girlfriends from high school. We were supposed to go have lunch together and catch up, but one of the girls canceled last minute this morning. Literally as I was doing my eyebrows, she texted me and wants to reschedule for next week, which is okay. So that's why I'm all dolled up. Alexander's off today as well, so we're just gonna step out for a couple of hours, maybe grab a quick bite or something. I do have a meeting with work at 1 o'clock, but it's just a meeting I just have to hop on and listen to. It's about benefits for the following year. I'm going to bring my tea with me. Alexander got me this like 3 days ago and I haven't gotten a chance to drink it yet. Alexander has been on a phase where he's been going to this place called HTO. It's also a block away from my mom's house. Their teas are super cheap and you get a big cup for a good price. He's been going here for like the past month now. He gets me their mint tea. That's my favorite from there. And their mint tea.
They have really good almond green tea. If you mix it with the regular unsweetened green tea, it's pretty good. And on their happy hour, that tea is like $1.50. So
they have happy hour from 2 to 4, right?
2 to 4, and a big cup is usually $3.50, but you pay $1.50. So
we decided on going to Ford's Garage restaurant for lunch today. I've been to the one in Detroit, Michigan. It was right next to the Henry Ford's Museum. Alexander's never been there before, and they have one here in the Dallas area. So we're gonna go check it out. It's a pretty fun restaurant. I hope Alexander will like it. I mean, he saw my vlog. It's very mechanic. It's like you're going to an automotive shop restaurant. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, check out my Michigan vlog. It was 2 years ago. And then after that, we're gonna swing by my job since it's just down the street, and I'm gonna hop on that 1 o'clock meeting and then possibly go to IKEA afterwards. We've been wanting to go to IKEA for a while.
Together. Every time I go, I won't by myself there.
The time that we were supposed to go, he spilled water on my seat and my whole shorts were wet, if you guys remember that video. I got the fish and chips. I got this last time, but the fish was different. The one in Michigan was a lot bigger, but I'm okay with this. This is just as big. And Alexander got the gluten-free version of the Ford's signature burger with tater tots.
Tater tots is really good. Try it. You have a lot of pepper.
Ooh, nice. Their honey mustard is like McDonald's honey mustard, and I really like it. Okay, we're going to IKEA first because we still have a good hour before my meeting starts. The reason why I want to go to IKEA, well, we've been wanting to go, but now I want to go even more because I'm looking for a desk for a work from home setup situation, because starting August 1st, my company will be fully remote here in Texas. We won't have our office space anymore because they're reducing cost. So there's no need for us to waste money on that little office space. Plus it's really expensive for that little tiny room. So our last day inside the office is July 31st. So we have a whole month. So more moving. Luckily, it's not us moving into another office. It's just us moving things at home. So I need to set up at-home office corner in the living room, and that's why I want to go look at some desks to see, and chairs.
Do you want IKEA's dessert?
No. We really like this couch. It's this perfect couch for the guest bedroom, since our couch that we have is pretty much beat up from the dogs.
And there's a huge hole like right here
But
because of minutes.
I don't know if this couch is worth this much. Nope.
Nice stuff.
Like, it's a good size. This is a standing desk.
How much is that? $400?
400?
Yeah.
This is what Eric has.
Look at that.
This is a good size. I could put the printer and monitor and my laptop right here. This could be a potential. candidate. All right, back home. It is just too painful outside. Too hot. But we went to IKEA. I think I'm just going to get the same desk that my brother Eric has in his room. You guys saw the little clip. I really like that desk, and we also bought a little lamp that I can put on my desk once the whole setup situation happens. So I'll show you guys the lamp later on in another video. But yeah, now we're just back at home relaxing. It's just way too hot to do anything or go anywhere. I kind of want to take a nap, so that's what I'll probably do. I'm gonna remove this makeup though, because I don't like the feeling. Alright guys, it is many hours later. It's about to be 9 o'clock. Alexander and I are going to start this new show called Silo. It's fairly new. I think it came out in May. I think it comes out on a weekly basis. I think their last episode just came out, or it's going to come out next week. I'm not sure if it's on Amazon Prime or Apple TV. I forgot. Anyways, we're going to watch that tonight. We're going to start on that show. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap up this video here. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. It's a pretty chill one. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.